everyone, in today's video I'll be explaining the different kinds of links in Notion, how you can link one particular block to another, and many more things in this video. So let's get started. So for the first one, I like to call it as a call out link to a particular block. More like when you click on this, it scrolls down by itself to this particular block. So to do that, you need to create content. So I just prepared this small example photography. This is within a call out, and this is in a gallery view to showcase all the photographs. All these photographs are from Unsplash. So to do this particular kind of link, that is, you're linking this particular block to a call out. So to do that, you just hover over this 6 dots, copy link, and then you go back to this call out, and then you double click on this, highlight it so that this toolbox appears. Click on link, and you can just Control V, and then it's pasted. So it has caught hold of this particular block in this page. So all you have to do is just click on it, and you can see that it has linked itself. So when you hover over it, it shows you that the particular word is linked to a particular block in the page. So you only have to just click on it, and it takes you directly to the particular block that you have linked it to. That is this. So you can do like this. So the second kind of link in Notion is you're linking an existing page in the current page. So to do that, it already says that you can type / for commands. So I'm going to do that, /. You can type in link, or you can scroll down. Either way it works. So I'm just going to type in link, and you get everything over here that is related to link. So to link an existing page is you can link a page. So just click on that, and you get this dialog box as a search box where you can type in the page that you want to search for, and you want to link it in this particular page. So all you have to do is you can scroll down and search if you have less number of pages, or if you have a ton of different pages, you can just search over here. And I'm just going to type in refactoring UI, and we have it. So there we have it. It is now linked. So all you have to do is just click on it, and it will take you to the page that you have and you want it to link. So everything is right here, and it also says one backlink. You can click on it. This page is private, so just click on it, and it will take you back to your existing page. So this is really nice to, if you want to refer an existing page like a tutorial or something, it's a really nice way to do that. So now, in case you want to link an existing database in your current page, all you have to do is, again, the / command. That's your only command that you need to remember, and it also says on the screen like here. So you just hit / and type in link. So this is it. So you can just click on this option, create link to database, and again, as usual, it will show all your databases from the Notion. You can literally drag and drop any database from any given file in your Notion. Just gonna type in, or probably I'll just use this as an example, expense tracker. Now, ta-da, it's come. So in case you want to go back to the original database, all you have to do is just click on it. It says click to navigate to the original database. You just click on it, and it will take you to the original database. So which is under Money Tracker and Goals and Planner. So I'm going to just go back to Money Tracker, and we have this expense tracker. This is the original database that we created in the other page that we had. But you would have noticed that it doesn't have this blue background because this is the one that has been linked. It doesn't come along with the blue background. So this is how you link an existing database in your current page. So in case you want to link a website to a word, like you want to make the word clickable, you can follow these steps. So all you have to do is, it's really easy, and all you have to do is type in the word. The example that I'm going to be using is Mintra. I'm just going to type in Mintra. It's that simple. I'm just going to go to Mintra. I already have it. Just copy it and come here, highlight it, double click, it will highlight the word, and click on this and you can paste it. You get this option of link to web page. So now when you hover over it, it will show that it is linked. You can get the URL of the website that you have linked it to. Mine, obviously I linked it to Myntra, and it also says that it is myntra.com. So when you click on it, it will take you to the website. So that's how you do it. So this is how you link a website to a word. If you want the particular word to be clickable, it can be either a website or a social media or something like that. So in case you want to link a website in your Notion document, all you have to do is go to the site, copy the website. Over here, the example that I'm going to be using is Spotify. So I'm just going to go to this my playlist as an example. So I'm just going to copy it, then go back to my Notion page, then just hit copy, Control V, paste it, click on embed. It will take a few seconds to load, and it will be right here. So this is how Spotify looks in Notion. And Notion also gives you these options of linking the files to Notion. All you have to do is just the command / and then you can get all of these. These are the medias that Notion allows you to embed in the Notion doc. So all of these, you can embed CodePen, like for code, HTML, CSS, all that stuff, a Typeform, a Loom video, PDF, and Figma, Google Maps also. And I shall do a Google Map. I'm just gonna go back here, type in Google Maps, and type in Bangalore. Right. There we have it. So I'm just going to copy this, Control C, and just click on it, Control V. Or you can directly, like how I did for the Spotify thing, you can do that as well. So we have the map of Bangalore. So this is how you can embed links in Notion. So I hope you enjoy this video and you learn something from it as well. So thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.